The Thanksgiving Day disaster took place on November 29, 1900, at the annual college football game between the California Golden Bears and the Stanford Cardinal, also known as the Big Game. A large crowd of people who did not want to pay the $1 admission fee gathered upon the roof of a glass-blowing factory to watch for free. The roof collapsed, spilling many spectators onto a furnace. 23 people were killed, and more than 100 more were injured. The disaster remains the deadliest accident at a sporting event in U.S. history. Every year since 1892, the University of California and the Stanford University football teams play an annual game towards the end of November or the beginning of December. The event is known as the Big Game. From 1892 to 1900, the game took place at Recreation Park Stadium in San Francisco on Thanksgiving Day. The stadium was located in a heavily industrial part of San Francisco. After the 1900 game, the event's location would alternate between the two schools' campuses. At the 1897 Big Game, portions of a packed grandstand collapsed under the weight of spectators. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.